Wow, so fun. Wow, this is nice scooty. Wow, so fun, kids. One is scooty, alphabet A. Wow, this is alphabet A. A for apple. Let's put one alphabet chart. Nice. After A, alphabet will be here B. Let's find it, kids. Wow. Wow. Nice fish. Wow. It's running, kids. Nice fish. This is alphabet B. B for ball. Let's put one alphabet chart. Nice. After B, alphabet will be here C. Let's find it. Oh no. Nice. Nice animal. This animal bring on alphabet C. This is alphabet C. C for cat. Let's put one alphabet chart. Nice. After C, alphabet will be here D. Let's find it. Oh no. Nice. This is a bird. Bring alphabet D. This is alphabet D. D for dog. Let's put on alphabet chart. Nice. After D, alphabet will be here E. Let's check out, kids. Oh, so pretty car. This car bring on alphabet E. Wow. This is alphabet E. E for elephant. Let's put one alphabet chart. Nice. After E, alphabet will be here F. Let's find. Oh no, nice car. This car bring on alphabet F. This is alphabet F. F for fish. Let's put on chart. Let's go. Wow. After F, alphabet will be G. Let's find the missing letter. Oh shit, nice. This was running. Wow. This is alphabet G. G for grapes. Let's put one chart. Oh, nice. After G, alphabet will be here H. Let's find the missing letter. Oh shit, nice. Nice bird. This is alphabet H. H for hen. Let's put one chart. Nice. After H, alphabet will be here I. Let's find the missing letter. Oh no. Nice fish. This is alphabet I. I for ice cream. Let's put I. After I, alphabet will be here J. Let's find the missing letter. Wow, this is a real monster. Oh, this monster bring alphabet J. Oh no, sorry. This is alphabet J. J for Joker. Let's put one alphabet chart. After J, alphabet will be K. This is alphabet K. K for kite. K for kite. Wow. After K, alphabet will be L. This is alphabet L. L for lion. Let's put one chart. Oh, after L will be alphabet M. This is alphabet M. M for monkey. After M, alphabet will be N. This is alphabet N. N for nest. Let's put one chart. After N, alphabet will be O. This is alphabet O. O for orange. O. After O, alphabet here P. This is alphabet P. P for peacock. After P, alphabet will be Q. This is alphabet Q. Q for queen. After Q, alphabet R. This is alphabet R. R for rose. After R, alphabet will be S. S for sun. After S, alphabet will be T. T for television. After T, alphabet will be U. This is alphabet U. U for umbrella. After U, alphabet will be V. V for fan. After V, alphabet will be W. W for watch. After X, W will be X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.